As we all know that Filipinos are very clever, so what I did is nag-advanced reading ako sa mga topics namin sa school. So, at itra-translate ko yun of English so that I can understand it in my language, in English language. And then during the discussion, I can able to interact. At the same time, I can able to raise question about regarding this topic. So ganun guys dito sa school. So actually hindi talaga siya fact or easy na mag-learn ng nursing dito because kung English lang yung language is why not we can easily understand and communicate English but hindi talaga guys naka-German talaga lahat dito. So since before it's really my dream to be a nurse since in the Philippines it's really my dream to be a nurse. In the Philippines, we don't have that privilege to study nursing because I came up from poor families. But I did not, sorry, I did not complain na galing kami sa mahirap. Instead of, I'm very proud of my parents na pinalaki kaming ganito. So, thank you for my mom and dad na pinalaki nila kaming matino at mabait at may takot sa Diyos. Ganon. In a way, it's another story of my life. Back to our topic, how I study nursing here in Switzerland. So, ganun lang talaga guys. Para-paraan lang talaga dito guys. So, kung gusto mo, may paraan. Kung pag-ayaw mo, may maraming dahilan talaga guys. So, by that time that I've learned that libre yung nursing study dito sa Switzerland. So, nag-grab talaga ako sa opportunity guys. Because not everybody have this opportunity. So I'm already here. So there's a reason of all of this. So I grabbed the opportunity to study nursing free here in Switzerland. Tip talaga guys, in order to understand all the topics here is to read in advance the topic and then go. There's a lot of translation in the internet. So nata-translate talaga ako guys in order to understand the topic. But of course, in school, during the class, if I really don't understand the topic, nagre-raise talaga ako ng hand to ask the teacher kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin this thing. Like something in the Philippines, comparing the school here, of course, we do have discussion and then we have reporting. We do have um, interaction, something like role play, something like that. Just like in the Philippine setting, yung school nila. At the same time, after the topic, may exam talaga guys. May test talaga silang ibibigay. So make sure na pasa mo yun and in order to proceed your training or your Ausbildung here. So after almost a year na nag-study ako dito sa Switzerland, guys. Pumasa naman ako, guys. So, ganun lang talaga, guys. So, hindi siya gaanong mataas yung grades ko, pero at least, could you imagine if you go to abroad and then learning the language plus learning something, and then you pass the exam? I can say that I'm so proud to myself because alam mo yon, not everybody to have this privilege. So I can say I'm so lucky to be here in Switzerland and to study free. So all you have to do is to grab and to do your best in order to pass the exam. Ganon. Ganon dapat guys. So as of now, it's already June 2025. So without knowing guys, I'm already next second year next July. No, July we'll be having our summer vacation, and then August I'll be second year in nursing na dito sa Switzerland, guys. So ang dali lang, di ba? So we don't have tests anymore as of this month. We only have school days, we have topics, and we also have UCAS. So three UCAS actually. So after that, we'll be having our vacation this July, the entire month of July, and then this coming um, August 12 is the first day of our class for second year. So could you imagine this coming August, guys? I'm already second year in nursing here in beautiful country Switzerland. Oh my God, I can say to myself na congratulations! But not yet. I can't say not yet because I still have 1 year pa. So I hope and I pray that I can pass and matapos na ako dito guys para it's nice na ma-regular nurse na ako dito sa Switzerland. So I hope and I pray talaga guys. Pray nyo ako guys. So I think that's it for today. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you have something to learn and then please do me a favor to like, share, and subscribe my channel, guys. So thank you and see you for my next. Bye bye.